Cases begin making their way through Chittenden County's so-called Community Accountability Court, aimed at a backlog of cases involving repeat offenders. The effort was born out of a meeting between Governor Phil Scott and Burlington Mayor Emma Mulvaney-Stanek, looking for ways to address Burlington's public safety problems. Channel 3's Cam Smith was in court this morning.
On the surface, it felt like a traditional courtroom. A prosecutor, a defense attorney, and a judge. But legal experts I spoke with say in order for this to work, it has to be transformative and change offender behavior.
Court will issue a restitution judgment order in that amount, $5,979.89.
A Vermont man ordered to pay back a victim he's accused of assaulting more than a year after he was charged. It's just one of at least 9 open cases that Timothy Shaw has in Chittenden County, from simple assault to misdemeanor drug charges and violating probation.
Mr. Shaw will enter a plea of not guilty.
Shaw is just one of several people with cases being heard in Burlington's so-called Community Accountability Court, unveiled as part of a larger public safety plan by Governor Phil Scott.
These are folks that have over 5 offenses on their record right now, waiting for 5 different court appearances. So that's what we're trying to do, is just trying to help catch up and hold these people accountable and make Burlington safer.
Judiciary data shows there are currently over 22,000 cases pending statewide. Nearly half are by an offender with 3 or more dockets. By getting through cases more quickly, officials hope to better address what's leading to crime in the first place.
It's not a deterrent. What you are able to do, though, when cases resolve is connect people with services that they wouldn't otherwise have if they are in a pretrial status.
Legal experts like Robert Sand at the Vermont Law School agree.
Success is using this process to change behavior so that people don't come back.
Sand says in order to ensure accountability, an offender must take responsibility for their actions, make amends to people harmed, and take part in specific treatments.
It takes time, and that may be inherently contradictory to a court that's trying to expedite the process, but these people will come back again and again if we don't look at underlying causes of criminal behavior.
What remains unclear is whether the state has the capacity to offer the kind of mental health or substance use treatment that experts say is necessary to break this cycle of crime. Governor Phil Scott saying Wednesday the special court is just one part of a 14-point plan for public safety in Burlington. We expect to learn more details about that plan at some point on Thursday. In Burlington, Cam Smith, Channel 3 News.